Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to embed a pivot table and pivot chart from Excel into PowerPoint quickly and easily. First, open your Excel file and make sure your pivot table and pivot chart are ready. Next, click on the chart to select it, then press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. Now open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to place your chart. Go to the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow under Paste, and select Paste Special. In the dialog box, choose Paste Link. This step is important because it keeps your PowerPoint chart linked to the Excel file, so any updates in Excel will automatically appear in PowerPoint. Then select the Excel chart format from the options and click OK. Your pivot chart is now embedded in your PowerPoint slide and fully linked to your data. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a pivot table and pivot chart into PowerPoint, saving time and keeping your presentations dynamic and professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.